Cluster Truck, and we're in the second row. It's called Forest. And this is what I'm about to do. My controller brother's like, no! So my throw, gonna stay here. See if I can flip. Oh! Well, not flip, but just back up. No! Yeah, boy. No! No! Oh, what a freaking end! I just jumped so long, literally. Let's go. Wait a minute. Let's go. Yeah. Level 2. Let's stay on here. Yeah. Oh! What do I even do? What do I even do? Where's the goal? What's the goal? Goal. Jump.
Oh, there's cars. See, look.
Who do I need to get there? Ah!
Oh, so close.
Yeah, take it easier.
Oh yeah, I'm recording. I'm a little under the weather, my nose is a little stuffy because it's winter and everybody loves winter. This is really hard.
Okay. Uh-oh.
You
What?
need to get some abilities.
Yeah, I do. I need to get like a double suppress.
Or like a grappling hook.
No!
Oh, you're so close.
No! If you were watching this on like a modern face cam, watching me crash and burn, it would be kind of funny. I literally died on the side of a truck. I'm about to rage off this. This goes any farther.
Oh.
Problem is, when I jump over, like there's no trucks. I think it's a front truck. Are you serious? Alright, let's cut all that and stay in on truck. Here. Will I still get? Alright. Ah! What kind of crap was that? I'm stupid. Bruh. Oh, concentration. Get on the hip hop music or something. I'm literally. Alright, for the rest of this minute. Alright, I'm gonna concentrate real hard. Put the music back on. Just get really concentrated. Really concentrated. the middle where there's no trucks. I know what I'm gonna do. Did I jump too far? I hate this game! No, get off the hood, boy! No! No, but that can't be all the trucks. No, that cannot be all the trucks. Yeah, you. Yeah, boy. Finally, if I get you fast luck, I'm gonna get really frustrated. Yeah, boy. Okay, level 3.
Level 2 of 3.
Uh-oh. That's the road.
Uh-oh. You might want to get there fast.
I got some sweet airtime, though.
You did.
So I only got 200, actually.
Well, but get...
Well, this is easy. It's like slow motion.
Oh, you were
Or
so...
like fail motion. Fail motion. Alright, JB, how much minutes is this?
7.
Alright. Well, this time I got 309 airs left.
You want me to do it for you? Yeah.
Oh! I was literally looking at the wheels.
Do you have to do it for you?
No.
Are you sure?
Do you even think that, are you trying to show off in front of the camera?
Hey, don't start.
No. Yeah! Yeah, boy!
What if you just died?
I'll be racing so bad if I hit the, oh,
Wait,
yes.
yes.
Okay.
No, that right there.
What the heck?
You need 400 points for that.
Double jump? There you go, I have a double jump.
Well, that's better. You should save up for the grappling hook or like the, I don't know. Wait, you got a 4? Oh, yeah, go. Level 2 of 4. Area 2.
What the? I thought I had a double jump. Equipped. Whoa. Dang, these boards are on. Hey, everybody. Oh! Yeah! That was actually pretty easy. Not a rat though, but that was pretty easy.
That doesn't look that.
Oh!
You just killed yourself.
That's why you don't brag. And then you hit a tree and die.
Uh-oh. You better...
Pretty good life lesson.
Oh.
Hey, everybody. Oh, I just did a double jump. Double jump. Hey, everybody. Real Yeah. What the? Okay. Hey, watch where you're driving. Retard on the road. Yeah! Whoa! That was kind of... Come on! Why does that have to happen at this moment? Huh?
Oh, no. Wow.
Oh, that would be really sweet if I made that.
Yeah, it would.
To the back. Come on, we're not going to end this video because of you controller.
We still have 5 more minutes.
Come on, boy! Oh, head first. Come on, boy! Seconds away from a car, from a truck, then fall, die. Done. We all know the controller batteries are low. Reminded
Ah!
Say, oh!
You wanna get ready?
Yeah. Yeah, that's just my mind. Holly, you love to crash and burn. You die.
Depression is real. Struggle is real, guys. Struggle is real.
Okay. Mom, did you run this video? I swear. Did I do that? Oh! Mom, don't walk through. No! Ah! Oh, I almost got distracted by my mom. Dying. Can I just jump up there now? Ah! Okay, let's get up there. Ah! Woo! Whoa. Dang, it's like throwing cars at us. They're coming from the top of there on that board. See, there they go. Whoa! Whoa! Oh, no! Don't you dare! Don't act like that now. No! Who's gonna help me crash this? Ah. Alright guys, gonna have to end off the video here. Bye!